Do you sell products on Amazon and you're wondering, when I go into another marketplace, am I starting over from scratch with reviews? Well, my name is Kevin from Maximizing E-commerce. I help people build e-commerce businesses worldwide, and I get this question about reviews quite frequently. Well, once upon a time, Amazon used to actually basically kind of start you over from scratch. You would still see the reviews down below in the listing, but it wouldn't be included in that number at the top. However, about a year ago, they actually started including the reviews, kind of pooling them together worldwide. So in most cases, that works out to your favor because you have more reviews. And oftentimes, I find in other countries, people actually end up leaving more reviews than they do in the US relative to the number of sales you get. So I'll show you a couple examples here in just a moment, but I'm super excited about the fact that we're now pooling together our reviews. So when you sell in some place like Canada or the UK, you get that little extra, for lack of a better word, boost in the fact that you have all these reviews, because they're not just showing up in the they're carrying over, I should say. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show a couple different examples here. So if I go into the UK marketplace here, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. This particular product here, garlic press, it's got 12,000 reviews. Now, those aren't all from the UK, and I can validate that. So if we scroll down to the bottom where you see the reviews, you're going to see the local reviews here. So people like seeing local reviews. People like seeing, okay, someone else in their country has purchased this product. So it's still better to have, reviews from somewhere else in the world than have no reviews. But at least, they do favor, at least with showing you the reviews, where the reviews are from. So they like to show the local reviews. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see top reviews from other countries. In fact, you might even see this on other listings within the US. You'll see that as well, where say top reviews from other countries. So in this case, like this is all in German, so it's clearly from the German marketplace. This one also reviewed in Germany. So this product does well in Germany. There's also one here from Canada, Germany, and then you could see all the other reviews as well. So we won't do that just for the sake of time, but just one other thing to show you here that's kind of interesting. So just to validate the fact that it is, I won't say exactly the same number of reviews, but if I take the ASIN here and I search for it in the US marketplace, you will see this product has 12,323 reviews, whereas here it's showing 12,186. It never quite is exact, and I've yet to figure out why that is. But here's another example here too. So this one is in Canada. So this one, it's also in North America. You can see if I scroll down to the bottom, it's got, top reviews from Canada. And if I scroll down farther, there's a review from Japan. There's a review from UK, from Germany, US. So it's pretty much, from everywhere. So they show the reviews from other countries because those are all included in this number. And another reason why sometimes things don't, the numbers don't match up is whenever there's multiple children, like in this case, there's a whole bunch of different children. Oftentimes what happens is in one country, there might be more children than another. Like oftentimes, let's say a product has 20 children for, let's say color variations in the US, they might launch 8 to 10 of them in Canada. Here, in this case, it's actually the opposite. So just remember here real quick. So this product, it's got 11,549 reviews. Also, just a random side note here, notice these pictures. The pictures carry over by ASIN, just as the reviews carry over by ASIN. So I'm going to take the ASIN here for this product. And I'm going to search for it here. And you can see this product has 3,000 reviews. It's less than the US. Why is that? Because they don't have the same parent-children variations. But notice, too, the pictures are the same. So Hopefully that is helpful to note and make you feel a little bit better about going into other marketplaces, because whenever you go into another marketplace, the basically what is going to end up happening is if you use the same ASIN or UPC code, well, if you use the same UPC code, you will have the same ASIN. But as long as you have some sort of product identifier that is the same as in the US marketplace, or whatever other marketplace you're coming from. In Amazon world, basically what happens is they will pool the reviews over time. So in most cases, that's going to end up being a net positive for you, because now you're adding on reviews to your US listing, as well as you're not starting from scratch in Canada, Australia, US, or Germany, UK, wherever it is you're going. So hopefully you found that video or this tip in this video to be helpful. Again, my name is Kevin from Maximizing E-commerce. If you could do me a favor, if this was helpful, leave a little like, as well as love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you're looking to start your own international selling empire, you can go to internationalchecklist.com and sign up for a free checklist. It's basically a mini guide where I walk you through the steps of what you would need to do to start your own international selling empire. Thank you so much. And I'm going to wish you the best in your e-commerce